Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Vetri meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, and the products and tools are ideally suited for all type and class of investors because it has all the features that one can look for. And many of our clients have made money regardless of the market conditions, regardless of the market moving up or down. So we are here enabling people to do emotionless trading. As always, market does not move on the basis of fundamentals but moves on the basis of the perception. Perception is nothing but the mood of the market players, which is nothing but demand and supply, which is captured accurately by technical analysis. That's why I say that please learn technical analysis. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is September 19, 2022, Monday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day. Bank Nifty and Nifty, it opened slightly around the same level as yesterday and it went down, it was moving up, it came down and ultimately settled 0.4% and 0.5% above respectively. Nifty closing at 17,622 while Bank Nifty closing at 40,904. So though it closed at these levels, still Nifty is not out of danger because it is below the exponential moving average and below the 20-day moving average, exponential moving average and below the Bollinger middle band or the 20-day moving average. Bank Nifty on the other hand, while on the face of it many people might think that it is strong, it is not that strong because the type of candle it formed today, it could not close above the Fibonacci 161.8 level in the daily chart, which signals that it is not strong. Why? When we analyze the individual components, ICICI Bank fell below the exponential moving average, while HDFC Bank and Kotak managed to stay above the exponential moving average, but still it is weak. IndusInd Bank formed the second reversal above the Bollinger upper band. The only strength that is being shown is by SBI. So with only one out of the many engines, you can't run a engine. So only one engine firing, you cannot run a motor. So you have to have all the engines firing. So now when we analyze the individual components, banking, ICICI Bank AU fell 1% while Yes Bank fell 2%. As I already mentioned, Axis Bank, Federal and HDFC up by 1%. SBI up by 2%. SBI is the only strong stock in the entire Nifty 50 pack. Finance, L&T Finance fell 1%, M&M Finance fell 2%, while HDFC jumped up by 1%, Bajaj Finserv, IDFC 2% up, Bajaj Finance and Chola Finance up by 3%. While Bajaj Finance, Finserv, all these are moving, one day moving up, one day coming down. These are all technical up moves and down moves that are happening, but there is no inherent strength to take Nifty up. On the insurance and cards, SBI cards fell 1%, while SBI Life fell 2%. Oil and telecom, Bharati and Reliance both remained flat. However, one point you have to bear in mind is Reliance is precariously positioned. It is just below the 200-day moving average and sliding down along the Bollinger lower band. So if it opens gap down tomorrow, you expect a significant fall in Reliance. Even if it doesn't open gap down, I don't expect a big up move in Reliance. It is sideways or trending down. That is why Reliance is weak, which is why Nifty is also weak. Now on the IT, Coforge fell 1%, Birlasoft and LTTS fell 2%. Infi and TCS jumped up by 1%, but here again it formed a doji star. It is sliding down. It's a kind of a candle that it forms in a downtrend, a green candle or a reversal candle. That's it. Nothing more than that. So people who want to go enter these IT stocks, be very, very careful, doubly check, discuss with your investment advisor because it is not out of woods. Consumer goods, Berger Paints, Britannia and Trent fell 1%, while ABFRL, Colpal, ITC, PVR up by 1%. Hindalco and Nestle up by 2%. ITC managed to stay above the exponential moving average, which is why we saw some strength coming in the Nifty also, because it went up by 1%. And of course, PVR, it is in a downtrend, as I have been telling, hence one has to be cautious with PVR. Hindustan Lever also, it is not that strong, though today it moved up by 2%. Automobiles, Bharat Forge, Motors and Sumi and Tata Motors fell 1%, while Eicher Motors, Hero Motors and Maruti up by 1%, M&M up by 3%, Escorts had a big up move of 8%. So overall, this automobile is also looking weak. Here, noteworthy to mention is Bajaj Auto and Hero Motors, the two-wheeler powerhouses. They are both in a very weak wicket, particularly Bajaj Auto, and Hero Motors is also on a weak wicket. Hence, we expect further fall and also significant downfall from these levels. Metals, Jindal Steel 1% down, along with JSW, SAIL and Tata Steel 2% down. National Aluminium, Vedanta 3% down, while we had NMDC, the sole up move in the metal pack, up by 1%. Overall, metals is also looking weak. As I have been mentioning time to time, that Jindal Steel 446 was a very crucial level. It was not able to stay above that level decisively. Hence, we are seeing some downtrend. It might turn into a reversal if it breaks below the Bollinger middle band. It is now hovering around the Bollinger middle band, which is nothing but the 20-day moving average. On the health and pharma, Cipla, Lalpath and Thyrocare fell 1%, while Metropolis fell 2%. Divi's and Sun Pharma up by 1%, but Sun Pharma is again is very weak, which we have been telling for quite some time. So that's down. Others, we have IRCTC, Nykaa and DLF down 1%. Godrej, IEX, India Mart, Jubilant Food and MCX down 2%. Iris down by 3%. Delta Corp down 4%. Havells, UPL and Zomato up by 1%. Here, DLF was one stock which we said that it crossed the 2021 levels close, that is 390 levels. Hence, now it was trying to go up. In fact, in the monthly chart, it formed a solid reversal in the month of August. However, it is not able to stay above that level, but we can expect it to reverse and go up and close the month around this level. If that doesn't happen, DLF is will go down, and one can expect further downfall in DLF. With all these things, what do we expect for Bank, Nifty and Nifty for the option expiry on September 22nd? Again, with a caveat that the Fed outcome is going to be as market expectation, that is 75 basis points and 50-50 down the line, and nothing more than that. It is not more hawkish. We give the levels, particularly the lower levels. Bank Nifty 37,970.16 on the downward side. It will act as a strong support, while on the upward side resistance 41,654.78. Nifty on the other hand, the support is going to be 17,188.70. Again, assuming that Fed rate hike is in line with the market expectations, and on the upward direction 17,877.40. Thank you very much for watching my video.